Now that you're familiar with some of the basics of shooting video, we want to get into something more advanced, which is called sequence shooting. In this case, we're going to look at shooting wide, medium, and tight shots that will edit well together. So let's get into shooting sequences for good video. The very basics of sequence shooting is what's called a three-shot sequence. The most common is a wide, medium, and tight shot. They're shot in sequence, one after the other, so that they can be edited to look like time has been condensed, and we're watching what looks like was shot with three different cameras, but really it was just one camera that moved around the same subject. So that's called continuity editing, a technique in shooting and editing video combining multiple video clips into a sequence to tell a story. These three shots, edited one after the other, give the illusion that there are three cameras in the room and we switch from one camera to the next in real time. In reality, each clip was composed and shot with a single camera. The cameras then moved around the subject for each shot, and the shots composed to be edited together for continuity. This is the same technique that's used in shooting films. When you only have one camera, then you want to make sure things look as good as they can. And instead of one long shot for 30 seconds of someone sitting in a chair, now we have three shots of 5 or 6 seconds each that turn into a nice looking sequence. So here's an example of those three shots put together to make a video sequence. We take the wide, the medium, and tight and edit them back to back with the wide shot, followed by the medium shot, and then the tight shot. Let's review what we've learned. Here are the questions for review. Typically, what is the minimum number of shots that make up a sequence? What are the three primary shot types mentioned that are used to make the sequences? And what is continuity? Try to answer these questions before I give you the answers. Okay, here are the answers. Typically, the minimum number of shots that make up a sequence is 3, although there can be more. What are the three primary shot types mentioned that are used to make sequences? Typically, wide, medium, and tight shots. And what about continuity? That's the technique in shooting and editing video of combining multiple video clips into a sequence to tell a story. Shots are edited one after the other to give the illusion there are multiple cameras in real time. A single camera is moved around the subject for each shot.